Hello student, welcome to last lecture of second chapter Swing of Advanced Java Programming. Up to last lecture we see some Swing component, and in this lecture we see the last topic, MVC architecture. So the learning outcome of today's video, we see the MVC architecture. This architecture is supported by Swing package in Java. So let us see. First, the MVC design pattern consists of three modules, that is M stands for model, V stands for view, and C stands for controller. The model represents the state, that is data and business logic of the application. View, the view model is responsible to display the data, that means represent the presentation. And the last module is controller. The controller module acts as an interface between view and model. It intercepts all the requests, that is receive input and command to the model view to change the accordingly. So it is one architecture in which model represent the data, view represent the presentation, and controller manage the interface between model and view. So the diagrammatical representation of MVC architecture is displayed like this. View and model. Model means simple, we can say the data. View means the representation, and one system connected to the controller. And controller manage the interface between view and model. It also requires some database. So this is simple representation of MVC architecture. Next, we see some extra points regarding MVC architecture. In general, a visual component is the composite of three distinct aspects. So, first is the way that the component look when rendered on screen. So, it is regarding look of the component. Then, the way that the component react to the user. So, it is simple how the component react to user. Simple example is when you click on button, that time some background processes uh, proceed and some event is generated. Third one, the state information associated with the component. There are many state of different components. Simple just example, if we use the checkbox, that time the component have two state. First state is checkbox click, and second state is checkbox unclick. So these three accept is important regarding the MVC architecture. Next, the MVC architecture is successful because each piece of the design correspond to an accept of the component. In MVC terminology, the model corresponds to the state information associated with the component. For example, in case of checkbox, the model contain field that indicate if the box is checked or unchecked. It is also same example that we see in previous slide. The view determines how the component is displayed on the screen, including any aspect of the view that are affected by the current state of the model. And the last, controller determines how the component react to the user. For example, when the user click checkbox, the controller react by changing the model to reflect the user choice, that is checked or unchecked. Next, we have some MCQ. In MCQ architecture, MVC architecture, C stands for, options are first option communication, second option controller, third option component, last option code. Answer of this question is controller. In MVC architecture, C stands for controller. Second question, in general, a visual component is a composite of distinct accept aspect. So options are 2, 3, 4 and many. So answer of this question is 3. In general, visual component is a composite of three distinct accepts that we see in previous slide. And the last question is the MUC architecture is successful because each piece of the design corresponds to an aspect of component. So this statement is true. Answer of this question is true. Thank you.